Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change the server in Last War Survival. Alright, let's begin. First, click on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. From here, select the account option. It's important to ensure that your account is linked to an email before proceeding, as this will help you avoid losing your progress. If your account is successfully linked, click on Manage Characters. In this section, you will see an option to create up to one character in each warzone. Click on it to view the different servers where you can create a new character. Keep in mind that your progress will reset to 0 when you switch servers. To manage your characters, go back to the management menu. For example, if you create a new character on a different server, you can switch back to your previous character by selecting it from the management menu. This feature allows you to explore different servers while keeping track of your characters. So that's basically how you can change the server in Last War Survival. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.